In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete or turn off a button on WIX. So what you got to do is simply go to your WIX studio and then select the website that you want to delete the button from. So go to the website builder, the design editor of it. So I mean the website editor. So just click on the website editor and launch the editor of that website, of that particular website. So just open it up. Once you're on the website editor here, scroll and select the button that you want to delete or turn off. So for example, I've got this button here, the view more button. Click on it, all right? Click on it and select it. So if you want to delete it, all you have to do is right click on it and then you will see there is a delete option here. Simply click on it to delete that button completely. Or if you want to turn it off or temporarily disable it, what you can do, select the button and then click on the link link logo here. So just click on that link icon and then here select none. So when you select none, this link will be broken. Hit on done and you will see that the link doesn't work anymore. So the button is like temporarily disabled. So this is how you do it. You can now save it and then exit.